How to log into Microsoft Teams account. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how to easily sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. But before we get started, make sure to hit this like button below the video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Alright, let's begin the video. Now, if you don't already have Microsoft Teams app, you can download it from Play Store. You can just go ahead and search for Microsoft Teams. And once you do so, you will find the Microsoft Teams app. Now you just have to open it and you will be greeted by the login page. And if you already have an account, that's great. You can just enter your email that's connected with your account and tap on next. But if you don't have an account, you will have to create one. Now, once you do that, you can just enter your password, or if you want to sign in with a new account, you can choose this sign in with a different Microsoft account. And in case you want to create a new account, you will just have to enter your email first. And once you enter your email, you just tap on next, and you will get an option to create a new free account. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete your verification process. Now you just have to enter your first and last name, then your country, and then your date of birth, and everything on screen. So once you get to this page after following all of the instruction, you just have to enter the code that you get on your email. So once you tap on send code after entering your email, you will get a security code which you will just have to enter on your device in order to verify your account. Once you enter the code, tap on verify and you should easily be able to log into your account. So as you can see, I'm signing in right now and you just have to wait for it to load. So as you can see, I have easily logged in to my Microsoft Teams account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.